considered Azure. For example, if I were to make an app that enables ChatGPT users to chat with a Fabric dataset, analyze or enhance the dataset, would that qualify?
Well, it certainly meets the bar for, if I'm looking at our categories, that's a great question. And by the way, I'm totally aware of this project because that individual did make a showcase post in the forum. So it's awesome to see you here. So I would say no matter what, that project and reading about it is definitely in the running for a solution that solves a real world problem utilizing any concept related to artificial intelligence. Where it slightly misses is it's not Azure OpenAI. So this one is a bit specific about that. So I would say you're probably more being considered in this area. But, you know, it also depends on the submissions we get. So, like, we'll choose for you which one we think it best aligns to when it comes across. But I feel like that one in particular certainly aligns here. And, of course, would be a contender for grand prize winner as well, as any submission would be.
Mm-hmm. Great.